Artificial intelligence has become one of the most promising technologies in the world today. With its capabilities to enhance human life, AI has been widely adopted in various industries, leading to significant changes and innovations. In this video, we will explore the future of AI technology, what it means for humanity, and what you need to know. Today, we will discuss the future of AI technology and how it could impact our lives in the coming years. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a technology that simulates human intelligence to perform complex tasks such as learning, reasoning, and decision-making. AI has been rapidly integrating into various industries, and its applications are growing by the day. So, stay tuned as we embark on this fascinating journey into the future of AI technology. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates on the latest AI news, breakthroughs, and insights. What is AI and how does it work? Artificial intelligence is a human-made system that can mimic human intelligence, learn from data, and make decisions without human intervention. The AI systems are developed based on algorithms, neural networks, and machine learning techniques. AI works through a process called training, where it learns from a vast amount of data, and the model automatically adjusts itself based on the input. The more data the AI receives, the smarter it becomes, and the more accurate its predictions will be. Applications of AI. The applications of AI are vast and range from healthcare to finance, transportation to customer service, and every industry in between. AI has the potential to revolutionize how daily activities are performed, simplifying processes and making our lives more comfortable. AI is being used in the healthcare industry to diagnose diseases and develop efficient treatment plans, in transportation to improve traffic flow and reduce accidents, and in manufacturing to improve quality control and reduce waste. AI is also being used in smart home technology, self-driving cars, drones, and many other devices that are becoming more prevalent in our everyday lives. Challenges and concerns. While the potential benefits of AI are immense, there are also several challenges and concerns that need to be addressed. Job displacement. One significant concern is the potential loss of jobs due to automation. As AI continues to advance, many tasks previously performed by humans could become automated. This may lead to unemployment and economic instability in certain industries, requiring a reevaluation of education and training systems to prepare individuals for future job markets. Ethical and moral implications. AI algorithms are created based on the data they are trained on. If the training data contains biases or discriminatory patterns, the AI system can perpetuate these biases, leading to unfair outcomes. It is crucial to ensure that AI is developed and deployed ethically, with transparency and accountability in algorithmic decision-making. Privacy and surveillance. The increasing use of AI-powered surveillance systems raises concerns about personal privacy. Facial recognition technology and data collection practices have sparked debates regarding the balance between security and individual rights. Striking the right balance will be crucial to address privacy concerns. The future of AI. The future of AI holds tremendous promise, but it also presents challenges that require careful attention and consideration. Here are some key aspects to consider. Automation and streamlining. As AI technology advances, businesses will further streamline their operations through increased automation. This can lead to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved productivity across industries. However, it will be crucial to address the potential impact on the workforce and facilitate reskilling and upskilling programs to ensure a smooth transition. Healthcare transformation. AI has the potential to revolutionize the healthcare industry by providing personalized, data-driven care. From diagnosis to treatment and monitoring, AI-powered systems can improve healthcare outcomes, enhance patient experiences, and reduce costs. Medical professionals can benefit from AI assistance in making accurate diagnoses, optimizing treatment plans, and managing patient data effectively. Collaboration between humans and AI. The future of AI should focus on developing systems that collaborate with humans rather than replacing them. Human-AI partnerships can amplify human capabilities, enhance decision-making processes, and drive innovation across various domains. By leveraging the strengths of both humans and AI, we can create a future where technology serves humanity's best interests. Artificial intelligence is a powerful technology that has the potential to transform the world for the better. As more businesses and individuals adopt AI technology, we must be mindful of its ethical and moral implications. We must ensure that the development and implementation of AI are aligned with our values, and we must strive to use this technology for the benefit of humanity. We hope that you have learned something new and interesting about the future of AI technology. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.